$60 a month. That's what a friend was paying for a phone upgrade she didn't even need. And when I asked her, what will that payment have built you for 12 months from now? She went completely quiet because here's the thing nobody wants to admit you're already spending the money every single month. The only question is whether it's building someone else's future or yours. So let's do the math. Your phone upgrade, your streaming subscriptions, your TV packages, your takeaways, your apps, add it all up. You're probably spending hundreds every month, and almost every dollar of it is building someone else's business, not yours. Now, I'm not here to tell you what to do or what to spend your money on. That's your call. But there's a real difference between consuming and building. And most people never stop long enough to ask themselves a simple question. How much of what I spend each month goes towards the life I have versus the life I actually want? Here's what trips people up. They hear start an online business and they picture quitting their job, draining their savings, risking everything. That's not what this is. You can start alongside what you're already doing, even in small time blocks, even if you have no tech skills, no marketing experiences, no audience, the barrier is way lower than what most people think. And that matters because the biggest reason they don't start is the assumption that starting is complicated. It doesn't have to be. Think about it, where you could be 12 months from now. Not, I hope things get better. Actually, picture it. Write it down if you have to. What changes? What stops you feeling so tight? Because that shift doesn't start with a big dramatic moment. It starts with one decision to redirect even a small part of what you're already spending into something that actually works for you instead of against you. Not a one time purchase that collects dust, something that compounds, something that builds over time. That's the difference between a transaction and an asset. The people who make that shift aren't smarter or luckier, they've just got tired of watching money leave their account every month with nothing to show for it and decided to try something different. So, if what I just walked through resonates with you, here's a natural next step. Go check out the link below. I'll show you exactly how the turnkey residual income system works, what's already built for you, and whether it is a fit for where you are right now. No pressure to figure it out all today. Just go and take a look and let the information do the work. You can find everything at bigresidual.com. If you want to go and check it out, the link is in the description down below.